That's right, Snapchat. We out here. We gotta shovel our cars out. I mean, kind of don't make any sense, but you know, I just want to get an exercise in. Let's do this. Yeah.
Go ahead, jump. You stupid. Your car alarm going off.
Come on, stop playing. Go.
Legs.
That's what happens when you diving and stuff, dog. Dog, you gotta be cold as hell right now.
Yeah, there's only one pair of pants.
Them ankle socks.
Shut up.
Yo, what you gotta say to Snapchat?
I want to say to Snapchat that, you know, brother man. Oh! Joe!
You get.
Alright, Snapchatty. Right now, I'm about to play snow football. Alright? So we got the two defenders right there. You got me right here, and we got my little young boy. We about to go in.
Red 35, Big Blue! Red 35, Big... Time out.
Yeah, there's a blitz out there, man. We gotta change the play up on offense. We really do. We have to, right now.
Red 35, hut! Set! Hut! Yo, you fucked the play up!
Here, catch him.
No,
Catch him.
Snowball!
You want him?
Dog, it's so damn cold!
Here, catch it.
Dog, come on! 35, hut! Come on, man! Come on, get it!
Naked man.